Good morning, teacher and classmates. Today I'm going to show you how to make papaya juice. Let's start with the ingredients. We need 1 papaya, 1 or 2 cups of water, sugar or honey, and ice cubes. Preparation. First, wash the papaya. Then, peel the papaya. Next, cut the papaya in half. Remove the seeds. Then, chop the papaya into small pieces. Put the papaya pieces into a blender. Add water. Add sugar. Next, blend everything for 30 seconds. Then, pour the juice into a glass. Add ice cubes. Finally, enjoy your papaya juice.